Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transaction in KineMaster step by step. Transactions make your video smooth and professional. Let's get started. First, open the KineMaster app on your phone. Tap the plus icon to create a new project. Choose your video clip and add them to the timeline. Look between two video clips on the timeline. You will see a small box or transaction icon between the clip. Now, the transaction menu will open when you will see transaction style like fade, slide, wipe, 3D effect. Tap on any transaction to preview it. After selecting a transaction, you can change its duration, make it shorter or longer. Slider. Short transaction usually look more professional. Tap the check mark to apply the transaction. When you are happy with your video, tap export, choose your video quality and save it. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.